show the position of my body on the floor first for what you'll be in for this skater exercise. So when you get into the start position, it's in kind of a low squat position here. Try to avoid the tendency to be like this or even like this. Notice how I'd reach my tailbone out and bend my knees down. This is a really safe position for the body as long as you're doing Pilates. So you just want to make sure that you have the front of the body really pulling in and up as you're reaching that tailbone back. All right, so that's going to be the position once we get up on the reformer. So I'll step up. The foot is as close to the inside of the carriage as you can, or the inside of the platform as you can get. And then the other foot is as close to the inside of the edge of the carriage as you can get. So then from here, I find that squatted position. This leg is not going to move. And here, just like we've been doing the whole workout, we're going to move at a slightly quick pace. This doesn't move, this moves. I push out and in. 2. So the challenge here is to not shift this right leg over the edge of the foot bar. Out and in. Out. So what ends up happening is the leg that's staying stable is really the working leg. We'll hold. Now here we shift the focus. This leg stays still even though it's on the rolling platform. So out and in. You almost have to initiate slightly with the foot of the leg on the carriage. And in. And this is 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Come in. Stand all the way up. Walk your left foot over, possibly a little farther than center line, and do a center side split, holding at the top. 1. Stay there. 2. Stay there. 3. Roll it out. Roll it in. Hold 1. Hold 2. Hold 3. Again, out and in. Holding 1, holding 2, holding 3, and relax. And we'll turn around to do the other side. So my feet are as close together as I can get them. On the inside edge of the carriage and the platform, I go down into that nice low squat, and my right leg starts it out and in. So I'm moving the leg, bending and straightening the right leg, the foot that's on the carriage. And 4, trying to maintain a nice, lovely posture of my upper body. I want to look down really bad. Trying to look out a little. And 8, and I bring it in. Now, stabilizing this right leg, I extend it out and in. 2, and in. 3, really trying to focus on the relationship of this leg to my body, not changing. So it goes out with my pelvis, out, and in. 2 more, out, and in, out, and in. I'll stand all the way up, take my foot over to the side, and I slide out. Come in, focus on the hugging in, holding 1, holding 2, holding 3, slide it out. And I'm coming in, holding 1, holding 2, holding 3, last time, roll it out. Roll it in, holding 1 and 2 and 3, and I relax. Coming down. We'll finish today with another nice and dynamic exercise.